All right. Hello, everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create a template. So in TravelPal, you can create an itinerary. Everything, as I mentioned before, all the business intelligence, all the charts here, and all the data, it comes from creating itineraries. But let's say you keep creating the same itinerary over and over. Let's say there are customers who really like the same sequence of trips. Say they like to go to a national park for 2 days, and then they go to the coast for 2 more days, and so on. It's the same thing over and over. So you can do two things. You can keep creating the itinerary, or you can create a template of that itinerary, of a common itinerary, and then use that to create itineraries from that. So let me just show you so they can make sense. I want to create a new, to create a template, I'll go to this page, click templates, and then click create new template. So I'll click that, and then I enter a name. Let's say, 4-day safari. It's the same thing, and then it takes 4 days. It's for it's for a family of 4, right? And then I can go to step 2. I'll enter the activities for that template or itinerary. So in the first day, it's vehicle rental at 10 a.m. Vehicle rental place, whatever that place is. The cost per customer is 50. Charge per customer is 100. Let's say I keep doing the same thing. It's a common occurrence. I can enter some notes. Click save and add new. Click save and add new activity, and then it's loaded here. Let's say it includes dinner, and dinner is typically at let's say here 7 p.m. and then I would, you enter the cost or the location. I'm just entering test data here just to prove a point, and click save. Then it's posted, and just like when you're creating an itinerary, you can click copy and create a copy of it. You can change the date and say day 2, click save, and it's loaded on day 2, and so on. You can do the same thing, change date, and then it's going to go to day 3 and save. Okay, it's the same way. And then you can also, it also has the same features as creating itinerary. You can create itinerary for day 1, or an activity for day 1. You can create an activity for day 2, an activity for day 3. Let's say on day 4, it's let's say it's lunch, right? Just think one example out of the blue. Lunch at 12 p.m. 12 p.m. Club G grab and go restaurant. And the cost is 20. I'm going to charge customers 40. Click save and add. And then that was day 4. Oops, sorry. Let me just make sure I clicked it. Yep. Okay, clicked it. Now it's on day. Notice how it's posted on day 4. I hadn't clicked it before, but now I clicked the save and add, and now it's posted. So there it is. And then let's say I'm satisfied with the way it looks. I'm going to step 3. I like the way it is. I'm expected to gain 520 from this itinerary. And then I click Save Template. And then it's posted on this page. This is same thing as going to templates, view my templates. That's where it's coming from. We created a 4-day safari. We just made things up in the fly. Now let's say we want to create an itinerary from this template. The way we would do that is by going here, click Create Itinerary. And then I enter a customer. And just like creating a simple itinerary, you can enter just details like that. Just keep making things up. Just put the key customer for this itinerary. If it's a customer who's done business before with me, I would start typing the name, and it will pop up the name, and I can select that, and it will auto-populate. And then this is the name that we had for the template for the Safari. I can customize it, and then Fushiko and family. Just this is the way that it goes to create itinerary or from a template. Now let's say the customer wants to start the itinerary from May 21st. I click May 21st. Remember, it's a 4-day safari, right? From May 21st. So then after that, I click create itinerary. Once that is done, it looks like it shows you the page for creating itinerary, except now all the details are filled in. I go to step 1, I go to step 2, it shows you, the customer is already filled in, the number of customers already filled in. Step 3 to show the activities. These are the same activities as the template. Remember, we entered all this information. I can change it. I can tweak it if I want. I can make a copy if I want, but I want to stick to what it was before in the template. So I just leave it as is. I go to step 4. It shows me the cost and charge information. I'm not entering any of this. It came from the template. In step 5, you can go in the same way as creating an itinerary. You can create, click create PDF. It'll pop up PDF, and and it has the same process, right? So then you click save itinerary, and now you just created an itinerary from the template. And so here it is. And this page is the page that when you go to itineraries, view my itineraries, is what appears. It shows you a template, the customer, and the financials. So what I just showed you is templates, how to create a template. And I just go back to view my templates, and there it is. So a template, you can also change the template over time. If you decide I don't like the way this activity, or I want to add a new activity for this template, you can just click the template and then make changes to it. Okay. Let me just go back, and that's how you create templates. You create a template, and then from that template you create itineraries. Thank you.